In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Credit Karma transactions. So, as of right now, Credit Karma does not provide a built-in option to download transactions directly. However, here are some workarounds to extract your transactions that I found, and I think those three are actually the best ones. They're quite easy and very effective. So, the first one, and actually the least effective, but the most quick, I guess, is by manually copying and pasting. So you'll have to log into your Credit Karma account, navigate to your transactions page, and then from there, you'll just have to highlight transactions just like this, and then you will have to copy them, either right-click and copy, and then paste them, or using the Ctrl-C on your Windows keyboard, or Command-C if you're using Mac. So that's actually what you have to do, and then you can paste that inside Google Sheets, Microsoft Excel, or Notepad if you want plain text formatting. Then if needed, you can also use Excel's text to columns feature to properly format the data. So that's the first option. However, I much more prefer the second and the third one. So the second one is by using a browser extension, also called a web scraper. Now, you can do this by getting these Chrome extensions over here. So the first one is called Data Scraper, Easy Web Scraping, and the second one, Instant Data Scraper. So if I show you how this looks like over here in my Chrome tab, there we go. What you want to do is simply go to Google, type in Data Scraper, Easy Web Scraping, or Instant Data Scraper, and then you simply want to press search and go to Chrome Web Store over here, press install. There we go. I have to just remove it because I already have this. You have to press add to Chrome and then add extension, and this will automatically install to your Chrome account. As you can see over here, it's quite simple. Now, from here, what you then have to do, give me a second, I will show you just in a moment. Okay, so for example, you want to go to this Credit Karma website over here, and then you want to press this puzzle button, go down here to where it says Data Scraper, you want to click on that, and as you can see, it starts scraping up, and when you have your transaction information on your website over here, you just have to sign up, create a free account, and then it will scrape your data and export it as CSV and XLS Excel files. That's essentially how you can do it and how you can download it. Now you can use this one or this one, both work very well, and then you can download the data and clean up if needed. The third method is to use a screen scraping tool, which is also called OCR, so the optical character recognition. Now, these are Microsoft OneNote, Google Keep, Tesseract OCR, so you have different ones, and the steps to this are you essentially have to take a screenshot of your transactions and then use an OCR tool to convert the image into text, then paste that text into Excel, Google Sheets, or something else you prefer, and then you have to manually clean up and organize the data. So to actually take the screenshot, I would recommend you use Lightshot, which is this thing over here. It is available online. You can just type in Lightshot, and over here you can download it on their website for Windows or for Mac. It looks like this down here. It's essentially this feather, this pink feather, and you want to click or press print screen on your keyboard, which will open up this kind of screenshot window. You simply drag over where you can see your transaction details, and then you want to just save the screenshot by clicking over here and saving it to your computer. You can then input this inside your OCR, so either one of these, or you can find some online as well. They're completely free to use most of the time, and from that you'll then be able to extract your data and download it to your computer. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.